Welcome to Webstyle Plus. In this video, I will show you how to delete search history on Facebook. To do that, go to Facebook, click search, and here I can see the past searches. Click cross icon in front of specific search term to delete it. Or click edit link, and here is my search history. Click clear searches to clear all the searches. Now if you click search bar, you won't get anything. All the searches have been removed. And it's the same process on mobile as well. On mobile, open Facebook app, press search icon, and here are my searches listed below the search bar. I can click three dots, I can tap three dots and select delete to delete that searched term, or in front of recent, I can tap see all to see all the searches that I have performed. Here I can delete these searches individually, or I can press clear all link and then press clear all button to remove complete search history. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.